Today we have QiYi's newest 3x3, the Valk Elite M. So this one, I've tried it at competition and I thought it was very nice, so I ordered it and received it today, so let's check it out. Right, so inside we get 4 accessory box and a cube. So let's just focus on the cube first, because you know, accessories are boring. Alright, so here's the puzzle and it comes with a cool box. This box is very nice. I think it can keep your puzzles in safe condition. So let's... how do you open this? Alright. Here's the puzzle and it already feels light in my hands. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but the surface is covered in lube. It's very disgusting. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's just really disgusting. Right, without further ado, let's get into first turns. Ooh, okay. Right, so the surface is very slippery because of the lube. I can't grip the cube very well, but the plastic is very nice. I mean, the cube is soft in general and the magnetic click is just so satisfying because it's not only, the magnet positioning system is not only from edge to corner, it's between the edge and center too. So you actually have an extra magnetic click just to stabilize the cube. So it's very nice, I would say. Right out of the box is very quick. I think I can change the springs to a stronger one just to slow this cube down. That's nice. Okay, I get a little bit of lock up here and there just because it's very tight. Yeah, it's just very tight. Here I have the Valk 3M with me. So this, I magnetized this one myself with N35 4x2 magnets. So this cube is very nice. I got the one-handed national record with this cube. The 9.99 seconds, so it was very nice for one-handed, but I'm not quite sure if this one is good for one-handed because it does have similarities with this one. So these two are quite similar in general. So I can feel the plastic being slightly different for the surface, and this one is just very smooth and crispy. However, this one is kind of slightly blocky feeling I have felt in this cube, but I assume this cube is faster than this one because this one is in a moderate speed that I quite like, and this one is in the fast speed that I don't really much prefer, but I think changing the springs would definitely help the performance. So we'll see how that goes, and let's see the corner cutting. Not quite far. Reverse, yeah, reverse. The reverse is very easy to cut. It's just line to line. Yeah, but the normal corner cutting is quite bad. But I think this will be changed after I change the springs and tension, just because it's very tight. Come at this. This is very nice. Let's take a look at the A box. Okay, I assume we have magnetic center caps. So this is quite rare. it has magnets on the center cap. So this one is red. That means it's the strongest magnets of all. So let's take a look at the B box. B box. Okay. Alright, it's green. So green means that it has no magnets in the center. So you can see it's empty inside. So you only have, if you change this into this cube, so if you place the center caps on this cube, and it will just become an edge to corner magnetic positioning system. On the C box we get springs. So springs is just like the GAN one, but maybe slightly different because the GAN is just like using a nut and then screw it in, while this one you have to place a screw on top of this and then just screw in like that, which is quite troublesome, I would say, but still. Let's see what is in this one. Okay, so we got Valk Elite, Matt's Valk, we got springs, and we got a solution for Rubik's Cube solving, and then we got Valk Elite, pictures. Maybe this is stickers, I assume, and we got a cloth, and we got a Valk Elite transparent sticker, which looks very cool. I changed the center caps to the red one instead of this transparent, which is what it comes with. So right now it's very stable just because of the magnets being very strong, while retaining its speed and stuff. So it's just very satisfying to turn, and it feels more of a click to it. Great job, QiYi. Great job.